Hey, first five, Pasagana! And here we come. First five of Masagana, Mr. 2, Vergara, number 29. And number 11. And number 7. Dapat binubuwag na yan eh. Ramos, number 7 to 2, number 28. Pinasa kay De Guzman, number 11. Balik kay 2. 28, 5 for 3. No good. Rebound, Black up high. Number 14. Bakit? Aiden, number 78. Fire for 2 point. 78. Aiden. Harapin yung Aiden. Aiden. 9 seconds. 2. Intercept by Apay. Gilbert got the ball, number 31. Manaw, number 14. Fire for the 2. No good. He's warming up. Malamig pa daw, malamig ang simoy ng hangin. Number 29, Jet. Jet dribbling the ball. He's looking. He found Vergara, number 81. Anyway, 21. James. Hindi pa si Lolo James. Apay. Fire, wala. Rebound ni Chu, number 28. Chu, umatake. Bimigay. Kay Ramos. Wala. Rebound ni Ibo, number 25. He's looking, he's dribbling. He went up and Apay got the ball. Man now, fire for the... Wala, rebound. Kay Chu ulit ang bola. Chu, umatake ulit. Pumasa kay Vergara. Vergara, fires, wala. Ivo. James, 21. Neil, fire for 3. No good. Ramos. Two. Balik kay De Guzman. Fire. Pasa pala. Pasa. Nice pass. Number 21, James. Aiden, 78. Bumali. Oh, ang lakas ni Gilbert. Wala. Sumakay ka. May sumakay daw sa balikat. 29, Jet. Dribbling the ball. He found Ramos, number 7. Intercept. Last touch by James, number 21. 7, Ramos bounding the ball. Pass to De Guzman. De Guzman pass to Jed. Jed pass to Vergara. Vergara, 81. Step and fire. Hit the rim. Wala. Apay got the ball. Number 14. Pass to Neil, number 21. Aiden. 10 seconds. Up high. Wala. 2. He's running. He's running. Jed got the ball. Number 21. Ivo fires. Wala. No good. Jed, number 29. Look into Vergara. Pass Vergara. Vergara. He's got the 2 points. Number 21 to number 78. Balik kay 21. Balik kay Mofasa. Oy! Okay lang. Good. That was good. Tumawa sa rin. Hindi lang ma-receive ng ano. 21, number 7, Ramos. Ramos. Umatake si Ramos. Foul. 29. Substitution ref. Sub. 79 in. Jeremy in. Jump number 7. Aiden, 2 points. Seven, jump. Balik kay Chu. Chu fires. Pasa kay Guzman. Vergara, 2 point again. Wala silang magawa doon. Happy birthday to Ellen Makapinlak. Shout out to the birthday girl. Counted. Ufalsa. 81 foul. Timeout. Black McGraw. Shout out. Condolence pala sa namatayan kay JR Bartolome. Yung gustong mag-abulay po, just approach the committee table. Just give a hand to someone.
Nung pumasok ako, 8 na kami. Tapos nakapasok si team. 8 talaga.
Siyempre, nakaras lang ako.
Nung pumasok ako, 8 kami. Nagsabak ko eh. Tapos nakapasok si team ng...
The score is 8-8.
8 points pa lang ginagawa nito.
Back to the ball game. Pasa from the free throw line. $79 to 2 to Vergara again, number 81. Habang nakatalikod, umaatake ang Masagana. Naga ang bola ni Jap, pinasa kay Chu. O'Neal. Last touch, Black McGrath. Jerry 79, pinasa kay Jap, 7, fire for 2. Manao. James fires. Manao again. Manao rebound. Manao 14, 2 points. Two. Step back. Jeremy 79 fires. Wala. Rebound ni Gilbert, number 31 of Falzar. Pass to Ivo, number 25. To James, number 21. Manao, number 14. 2 points. Two, 5 for 3. Wala. Rebound ni Manao 14. Umikot. Umikot ulit. Paikot-ikot na parang tropo. Pabasa kay 78. 78. Tumira. Wala. Rebound ni Manao. Manao for 2. Wala. Rebound ni Jeremy. 79. 79 to number 7. 7. Lay up the ball. Wala. Rebound din number 8. There is a foul, number 21, James. And that's it. Game over for the first quarter of the game. The score is 12-12 so far. And one more shot from the free throw line. Vergara. Wala. So 12-12 tayo. Even. Back to the ball game. Aiden 78. Pinabatayan ni Cho. Hindi tinawagan ng pass. Linampas ni Cho. May lamok. 25. 21. Pinapatayan ang number 7. Pinasa kay Ivo. Ivo, 5 for 3. Wala. Rebound ni Apay. Apay for 2. Wala. Oy, tumama sa board. Tumama sa board. Tumama sa ring. Tumama. Alam ko sa board. Apay again for 2. Bakit kaya? Pinasa Jet, 27-29. 8 seconds, 2 fires. 3 point, Mr. Cho. Pinasa kay Neil. Neil to Apay. Apay na naman. Same ball. Jeremy intercept the ball. 2-2. Foul number 21. Free throw. Two on the free throw line. Liu. Ivo for 3. Wala. Rebound. Opalsa. Opalsa. 2 point. Gilbert, number 31. Jeremy got the ball now. Give to Vergara, 2 point. 81. Pinasa kayo, wala. Tumalbog ang bola, lumabas. Two! Talon daw! 2-1 na naman! Tatlo ka na! Third personal foul, number 21. Pasok ang pangalawa. Kapakpak 78, 2 points. Two, naghihintay, nag-aabang ng 3. Lumalayo na ng konti. Bang, bang. '79, he pumped that ball and put it back in. Naglalakad, hawak pa. Iba for 3. Two points, number 79. 2 points lang, 2 points. Cho! Ivo got the ball now. Aiden, 78. '79. To Vergara, 81. He knows where to put that ball. Time out, time out. Bola naman nila eh. Two, pasa kay Vergara. Vergara. Time out! McGrath. The score is 31-21 in favor of White. Masagana. Back to the ball game. Eva again for 3. Ramos on the 7 for 2 points. Eva again. Jed, number 29. Bang! 2 points. Evo. Up high. 2 points.
Check the score. I don't know if they got extra points. 2 points.
Yeah. So when you're going to Philippines,
De Guzman.
December.
see you. I'm going on December.
Beginning of December.
Yeah. Pangasinan. Pangasinan.
Oh, okay. Am I
2 points. Pasok, dalawa. Alright, yep. We going for the second half of the game. Third quarter of the game. Back to the ball game. Okay. Number 29. 2. 4, 3, wala. Up high, rebound the ball. Jeremy, 79. Pass to Jong. Jong na block ni 31. And, oh, Jeremy got the 2 point. Up high got the ball again. 14 na number 14 Manaw. 2 points. Jeremy got the ball. 79. Minamani-mani lang kayo ni Jong. Oh. Nail for 3. Jong got the ball. Nice. Cho got the 2 point. Sharing is caring. Jong! Apay, rebound. Ivo. Neil. Rebound ni Jong. Pasa kay Chu. Chu. Umesto. Pumasa kay Ched. Ched. 2 points. Wala. Apay. Rebound. Ivo got the ball. Number 25. Tumatakbo. Tumagdadribble. Nagdidribble. Nagpasa kay 31. O palsa. Pinalik kay Ivo. 25. Balik kay 31 na naman. And tinalaksakan. Rebound ni Apay. Pasok. 2 points. Jeremy number 79. 3 points. Apay for 2, wala. Apay, rebound. #79, Jeremy. Pasa kay Chu, 28, fire for 3. Wala. Manaw got the rebound to Neil. James, number 21. James, Noy. Pinasa kay Jeremy. Easy 2 points from Jeremy. Ivo. Neil. 5 for 3. Wala. Jeremy. Timeout! Black! Back to the ball game. 79, Jeremy. Tinasa kay number 7, Ramos. Bang! 2 points, Ramos, number 7. Masagana, they're all smiling. They're all happy. A big happy family. Apay! Ano daw? What's the call? What's the call? Five seconds! Hindi ko alam anong nangyayari. Bilog daw yung bola. Tumira! Ramos Vergara 2 points team. The scoring machine of Masagana. Neil hit the three, wala. Rebound by Jeremy. And he's rushing in pass to Jap, left-handed. Wala, Jap na naman. Uy, inikot-ikot na parang Jeremy got the 2 points. Ang ganda-ganda na. They're all running good. Masagana, they're running. Oh, Palsa! Blocked by Tim in Apay. Got the 2 points. Tim again got the ball. Ayaw tumawag po. Apay, 2 points. Ramos. Back to the ball game. Last quarter of the game. The score is 64-35 in favor of Masagana. Okay. Aiden for the 3, wala. Rebound ni Di Guzman. Di Guzman to Jeremy. Jeremy and Jed, 29. Silang dalawa lang. 2 against 3. Di Guzman, balik kay Jeremy. To Vergara, for sure he's gonna take the shot. Aim, now good. Rebound by number 21, James. James dribbling the ball. Apay. Jeremy to Apay. Apay again. Apay. Apay nga rod, number 14. 2 points. Manao. Jeremy, 79. He passed to Di Guzman, number 11. Di Guzman. Tried to layup, reverse layup, no good. Rebound by Apay, number 14, Manao. He's getting harassed by Tim, 81. 81, intercept the ball, pass to Jeremy, and Jeremy waiting for Jong. He aimed, pass to Jong. Jong aim for the 2, no good. Rebound by number 31, Upalsa. Upalsa to James, 21. Fire the shots, voila. Rebound. Di Guzman. Di Guzman to Jeremy, and Jeremy to Jong. Jong to Jed, 29, fire for the 3, no good. Upalsa, rebound the ball, pass to Ivo, number 25. Ivo, he done his work and 2 points. What a layup from Ivo. 79, Jeremy. Jeremy. He went in, pass. 81, fire for 2. Vergara, 2 points. Aiden, 78, dribbling the ball. Aiden, 2 points. Lucky bounce. Jeremy, 79. Pinasa kay Jong. Jong, number 12. Fires. Rebound by De Guzman. De Guzman. Wala. Rebound by number 20. Sub. De Guzman, number 11, inbounding the ball to Vergara, 81, fires for 3, no good. Rebound by Apha Manao, number 14. 14 is attacking the pinasa kay 78, 2 points. Vergara, 81. Ramos. Stop! Jong to jump. Intercept by Upalsa. Upalsa got the ball. 31. To Neil. 21. To Upalsa again. 31. Namimwersa sa Upalsa. Namimwersa. Ayan o. Oh, galing. Upalsa. 2 points. Gusto pa ng foul. Jap got the ball. To number 7. To Jong. To balik sa number 7. To 7. To 7. To number 11. De Guzman. De Guzman. Pinalik kay Jap. Jap files. Wala. Rebound na naman. Wala na. Expired. Konti na lang daw. Konti na lang. Number 14, Manao. Balik kay 78. Ivo. 5 for 3. Wala. Manao got that rebound. Says who? Ivo. 25. Manao. Team 81 is getting harassed by Manao. Nice pass to number 7. Manao got the rebound. Ivo, number 25. Number 25. Oy, wow. May paghanggan. Ivo showing some skills. Number 12. 7. Manao rebound the ball. Pass to Ivo. The last touch. Whose ball? White ball. Last touch by Black. Jong, number 12, umatake. Pinasa sa number 7. Jap, pinasa sa number 11. De Guzman, pinasa kay 78 sa kalaban. Matake. Uy! Andyan ka na naman. Tumutukso-tukso. De Guzman, number 11. to Ramos, number 7. Ramos 7 to 81. Vergara for 2. Wala. Rebound ng 78. Pass to Evo, number 25. 25, Evo. Oh, la la. Tong got the ball now. Team 5 for 2. No good. Manaw, number 14. Wala. Rebound ulit ni Manaw. Uy, natanggal yung mata. Three points, Evo. Seven. Rebound by number 14, Manaw. Neil for 3 points. Wala. De Guzman rebound the ball. To Jab, number 7. Ramos, number 7 to Vergara, 81. 2 points, Vergara. Aiden, 78. 78. Ramos at De Guzman rebound. Pass to Vergara. Vergara for 2. James for 2. Layup. Sub. Good, good now. Good, 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 good. Travel violation. Black ball. Three points. Si Apay. Ramos, number 7. Rebound to 78. Neil. Rebound to De Guzman. 29. Jed. Pass to Ramos. Ramos lost the ball. Evo got the ball now, number 25. 25, Evo. Evo wants to hit the 3. Jaden got the ball. Up high got the 2 points. Ramos to Jap. Jap got the 2 points. Number 7. Yeah. Vergara. He's gonna try to hit the 3. No good. Kamayan yan!
Wala mo sakit?
Wala, mamo. Tuhod.
Congratulations to Masagana. The score is 74-57.